to silver golfer. Yes, there is the goodies, guys.
First goodie.
Let's there's one with the whole asked on the comment, and he said no, it was for them to easily get them together. Hi
guys, welcome to our channel, Silver Fanatic.
Okay guys, today's video,
it's a mail call.
It's a mail call.
Yes.
Okay, from one of our friends.
We open it.
From one of our favorite friends.
Yes, we did open the envelopes.
Obvious. We couldn't wait. Sorry about that. We just couldn't wait. Okay, we'll just take it out for you guys.
Yes, let's find out.
Let's just find out who is it from. Okay, it's from
Silver Golfer.
Yes,
our
friend guys. Favorite friend. Okay, all
nice
the way
channel.
Nice channel all the way across the ocean.
Yes
guys, it reads out, hi guys, I'm hoping, hi. I'm hoping to pass a little luck and a few coins from my Breadwell coins win. I think we know the channel. I think we are subscribed to that one. Breadwell coins win.
Nice channel.
It's a very nice channel. Yeah, we are sub to that channel. To the Ferry Bella fans, thank you for your support and hanging out to the end. Silver,
go far.
Yes guys, nice letter. Thank you so much.
I like the cards. The cards that he writes on.
Yes. Let me just show it, guys. We really were talking about the card. We really love the style, how it is. Very nice.
Simple.
It's very nice and fresh. We really like it.
And
what I was hiding here, it's the goodies. That's what I was hiding with the stickers. I didn't want to reveal everything at once. Just a surprise. There are some goodies there, guys. Okay.
Let's find out.
Yeah, let's just find out, guys. Okay, Silver Golfer, very nice channel.
Thank you so much.
While I'm taking this thing out, because I think it is wrapped, I've recently seen a video from Silver Golfer. Very nice videos, guys. Very nice channel.
Yes, must go subscribe.
Please, really go subscribe. You're gonna see something there that I've seen as well. He bought some rounds. They're different, because most of the time, whenever we buy rounds, we buy a buffalo.
Yes.
He bought different rounds this time around. I forgot those rounds, and he bought copper rounds as well.
Interesting.
Of which we're really speaking about getting more copper to our stack. I was really motivated by that, and
we even wanted to buy those metal copper because we couldn't find coins
from the shops, the pipes.
Yes, and melt them. That's how desperate we want copper.
Exactly. So he really showed us that copper is really needed on our stack. He just confirmed.
Yes.
So I bought those very nice rounds, guys, because most of the time when we're buying rounds, we just go for the buffalo. Yes, guys. There are very nice rounds out there that you can go for. I'll leave a link to Silver Golfer's channel where he was showcasing those silver rounds and the copper rounds, guys. Okay, they're very nice. Okay, very nice channel, guys. Please go sub to Silver Golfer. Yes, there is the goodies, guys.
First goodie.
Let's zoom into it. Okay. Yes, very nice coin.
It's beautiful.
Very beautiful, guys. As you know us, guys, we really blank when it comes to coins.
Yes,
these are beautiful coins. But
this one Republic.
We're gonna try where it's from. Okay, try.
But it's for 1946.
It's a very nice 1946 coin, guys.
But we're gonna do more research. We are interested in learning.
Yes, guys, there is internet university, guys. We're gonna do our research there. And also YouTube University.
Okay.
Very nice coin. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
It's really beautiful. And the second one as well. 1940, guys.
It's nice to have these old coins.
They're very nice. They're very beautiful. Very nice, guys. Very nice.
Yeah, one day we'll show all our old coins that we have.
Yeah, because we found some as well. Very
it's
nice.
Beautiful. It's simple.
Beauty, yes. It is beautiful. Okay. Leave it there for now. And the next one. I think this one looks familiar.
The Mexicana.
This one really looks familiar.
Yes.
Very beautiful coin. Yeah, and I love that eagle, how it bites that snake. Very nice. It's doing a great job.
I think it's paving the way for the Libertad.
Yeah, because we're missing Libertad on our stack.
It's paving
Thank you,
the way.
Silver Gopher, for this one. It's paved the way.
It's beautiful.
For us to include the Mexican coin on our stack. Yeah, it really paved the way for a Libertad.
Yes.
What a beautiful coin.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. Really nice.
From 1965.
Yes.
It's
Thank you so
very
much.
Nice.
Okay. And last goodie, it is this one.
It's look goldish.
It's gold. Yeah, very nice coin as well. Very nice, beautiful. And the thing about these coins, the main thing, the condition.
It's perfect.
It's excellent. You would not say that they are old coins. It's like they just new. They like 2000 or something in the condition they are in. Yes, a very nice coin. Republic.
Don't bite.
Okay. Let's just leave it there before we butcher everything. Before we butcher the name, let's just leave it there. Okay.
Yeah. And also have to find that the written there. But it's Libertad. Didn't say Libertad.
Just leave it there.
Libertad.
Leave it there.
I think it's also from Mexico.
Mexico, yeah. I think so. Yeah, very beautiful coins, guys.
Yeah.
They very look amazing.
You can leave the link.
Let's just zoom out for a bit, okay? Yeah, and then those two goodies that you saw, the stickers.
Is getting more.
Very nice, beautiful, really beautiful. We love them.
Yes,
they're amazing. Thank you so much, Silver Gopher.
Making our day.
Really did made our day, and a beautiful letter. Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, if you don't know Silver Gopher, please
go subscribe.
Go check his channel, guys. You will see, I think, most of these coins. You will see a variety. Even ones with the hole. Yeah, there's one with the hole. I asked on the comment, and he said no, it was for them to easily get them together, because I was wondering why they put holes in coins. So you'll see them there. Silver Gopher, he has a lot of them. A variety, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Please go subscribe if you don't know Silver Gopher.
Yes.
Okay. Great channel. Yes. Today's video, I think it was just about that. And we'll also like to thank our subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. We are where we are right now.
We are so grateful.
It's all because of you. I don't know what's this thing. It's following the pack. Okay, yeah, we are so grateful where we are because of the community.
Thank you.
Great, beautiful. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Bye.